YouTube, what is good? It is your boy Jens. We are back with another POV, man. As y'all can see, this is about to be the first POV in the SS, man. And y'all can see that it is raining a little bit, bro. So yeah, man, we couldn't just go and get up in this thing today. And yeah, I gotta show y'all the SS sign so y'all think I'm flagging on y'all. So yeah, I'm finna go to the back and then we finna get us a little cold, well, a warm start, because I have been running errands. So yeah. Alright, YouTube, we are out now, and as y'all can see, it is starting to come down a little bit more. So yeah, bro, this is perfect for the video, man. This is what I was wanting. That shit crazy, bro. I really got a V8 now, man. Wow. I've been getting used to the car, bro. I've been learning like little different things about the car. But yeah, I do still have a lot to learn. And yeah, man, I've been messing with it so far, bro. So yeah, bro. It's really crazy. It is. But as y'all can see, this interior is crazy, bro. Damn. Got this thing in sport yet. Cars right there. Now I'm gonna put it in sport. The better track. Competitive mode. Alright, damn, look like they coming over here a little bit. Damn, look at that one. There go a Camaro right there. Hey, that blue is so crazy, bro. I've been thinking about getting this car wrapped or something, bro. But I don't know what color to wrap it. That's the only thing. I gotta brainstorm because I really want something like different, bro. Like something that nobody got down here in the state of Arkansas, you feel me? That's gonna be pretty hard. Oh, we getting sideways a little bit. Damn, I was finna lunch this bitch, man. They take too long to get across the damn street. This car is so smooth, bruh. I used to give Chevy so much shit. I thought they shit was like terrible. Man, was I wrong? Oh! Damn, I got a low car, I keep forgetting, bruh. I be feeling every hump, every bump, all that. Nah, I ain't even gonna try to make this radio. This turn a little sharp. We by the police station. Should I cut up, y'all? Should I cut up, chat? Should I cut up? Damn, spinning like a mug. All right, let me chill out up here, cause right when we get over this little thing, y'all see the police. Then once we get down the street, we can start doing dumb shit. Bro, I got so much stuff to learn about this car because I don't even know, like, the traction is always off when I'm in like competitive mode or something. Because I know like track and sports mode, all that stuff. You just had to hold the traction controller down for 10 seconds on the damn charger. So I don't know. I got a lot of stuff to learn with this car. I was doing some reading and stuff yesterday to see what else that I could learn that was new. So I just gotta keep on doing that, then I'll be straight, you know? Why is somebody driving down there? Damn, I just slid going 50 miles per hour. It's crazy. No police, no search. The camera just cut off, bro. What the hell? I know I deleted all them clips on my phone. Bro, this shit sounds so aggressive, bro. I gotta cut my damn mufflers off or something, man. I want some more noise back there, boy. This exhaust system is crazy though, like stock. I'm just scared if I cut them off, it's gonna be sounding like something that I don't want. And I ain't trying to waste no money right now. All right, let's see if I can do what I did back there, but my damn camera cut off so y'all can really see it. Well, y'all can see it at all. Water right here, y'all. Hit 100 for y'all right quick. Water right there. I ain't trying to slide or nothing. I gotta figure this car out, y'all. Then once I figure it out, then I'm gonna start doing dangerous shit, you feel? Well, this shit dangerous right here. Is there something on this street? Put the little transit bus on down here. Do a little dig real quick. That shit ain't going nowhere. But that shit crazy, bro. It's too wet down here. Gonna try something right quick. Shit, I think I was hitting them on time. That's crazy how good this car sound when it open up though. Oh boy, you in the street tripping. Now what if I was one of them young niggas that just ain't give a... That boy would have been dead now. Nobody coming. up, train tracks? Train tracks. I forgot about them. Bro, these V8s be drinking that gas, bro. Like this shit right here. Damn, man. Kinda missed the V6. I'm gonna have to start driving that motherfucker again. Golly. I do be driving it to work sometimes though. Well, shit, not sometimes, all the time. I drive this car to work maybe twice a week. So yeah, man. But y'all are putting money in my pockets though, so I ain't really gotta worry about the gas, man. That YouTube check be paying for my gas, bro. So shout out to y'all, man. I really love y'all, bro. Y'all about to change a young nigga life, man. I love every single person that's watching this video and every single person that's subscribed to the channel, bro. I probably love y'all more though, cause y'all subscribe. So if y'all ain't subscribed, go on, hit that sub button, man. Help your boy out, bro. But yeah, we about to go to the back of the lake right quick. And then I'm gonna end the video off there. I'm gonna try to slide it, bro, cause I don't know how to slide for real. But it should be super easy, cause it is raining outside, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research on that slide, cause I ain't gonna fuck nothing up. You feel what I'm saying? Damn go nose ass nigga. He all over here looking at the damn police station. I hope my shit's still recording, bro. Damn, man, I did not know it was gonna rain today, bro. If I already knew that, I would have charged my Apple Watch. Cause I said this was probably gonna be the first video after the car reveal. A little POV for y'all. Damn, bro, this shit sounds so aggressive. This is crazy. Next POV probably gonna be a silent POV, because I want y'all to tell me which ones y'all like better. If y'all like the ones that I'm talking in, or if y'all like the ones that's just silent, y'all can hear the exhaust. I ain't gotta say nothing. Either way is cool with me. I don't like talking no way. I'd rather just vibe out and let y'all hear the car. And I'm also probably about to buy me a little GoPro or something. Strap that thing to the car, man. Especially when I be going to them little slide shows, I can just drive around and shit and then show y'all everything. I think that'll be pretty cool. But there is gonna be a lot of stuff that I'm bringing to the channel, man, cause hey, I just spent X amount of dollars, and I'm about to make that back for shit show. Don't have to edit this a lot. My boy going 2 miles per hour, ain't it? I'm actually gonna stay back here. I don't see nobody coming. Just gonna make him think that I'm gonna park or something. Bro, one thing I hate about this car, bro, and I'm gonna make a video on this later on because I don't want to do like videos that I had just done like 2 or 3 months ago. I'm gonna do a 5 things I love and 5 things I hate video about this car. Bro, this steering wheel is so small. And y'all, I have long ass fingers, dog. Like, so my shit be wrapping around this shit. Like, I need some, this is gonna sound so bad. I need something with some girth.
What do you mean by that?
Or something, man. I need a thicker wheel that I can just hold with my hands, bro. I have long ass fingers, dog. That's the only thing. Like, maybe if I had small hands, this would be straight, but yeah. And I also like them new the new Camaro steering wheel. So I don't know, I might just put one of them things up in here, or I might just get one of them wheels that be showing like the that be lighting up and stuff. So I don't know, we gonna see though, we gonna see. But right now I don't see nobody coming. I think that dude is gone. So this is about to be my first attempt at doing a donut. Like I said, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so y'all don't give me no shit. I'm just making sure nobody down here. And I need to make sure I don't go in that damn water over there. For real. I'm scared, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Like, do I hold the traction down for it to turn off? I'm finna hold it for 10 seconds, y'all. Wait, so I'm finna hold it for 10 seconds again. Can I burn out? Oh shit, that's to damn, what's that shit called? That's for like the digs and stuff. Oh, look, learning something new, man. Hey, that's hard. Okay, so. Okay, I'm burning out right there, so. I probably need to do this shit in the big parking lot. We finna try it, though. Damn, I was doing it. Yeah, I'm finna go to the big parking lot. I was doing it. Okay. Bro, as soon as I get in the parking lot, bro, fucking storage runs out. So, yeah, bro, if y'all are new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Need to make sure there ain't no snakes over here. But, yeah, bro. Golly. That's from all that damn speed and shit, y'all. So yeah, the next video or next POV probably gonna be me learning how to do a burnout or a donut or something like that. I know how to do a burnout. I don't know why I said burnout, but yeah, y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, damn, I was really gonna do that shit today, but I guess it was God telling me to go my ass home. So I'm finna close out this video. So if y'all are new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And it is your boy, that boy Jens, and we are out. Peace.
How I feel on the rail, that's me. Body harder than so still how I live, gotta be. Oh my God, I gotta live, no I can't, it's on the beat.
Bye, have a great time.